Greetings! In this lecture, let's learn how to code the simplest platformer possible. For this, we will use lots of game nodes. So we will work in 2D scene from the root node in a 2D scene. First, let's start with character body node. So you need to write character body in a search for the create a new node. So we find it character body 2D create. This character body 2D will give us one default template. This will be our code base. So add the code, attach a new script, and what are we need? We need here in this template to find something like template for the character body. Because I used it before, I have using existing script file, but this script file is character body 2D. So you need template for a character body 2D, click load, and you will get one default code here. I will explain this code later. So now let's set a scene for a simplest platformer possible. So we have a character body. Now some visual representation will be sprite 2D. We need some collision shape. Collision shape will be some collision shape 2D. We will set it later. Also, what we need something for a ground. So add one static body. So find static body, not movable 2D body, one static body. Also, this static body needs some visual representation, sprite 2D, and some collision shape 2D. Now let's set it properly. So sprite 2D will be the inspector window texture will be default icon, and the collision shape will be rectangular collision shape. So find rectangular shape, and you can also set it properly here. So collision shape to be as it is here. Now to the static body. Static body you can change to ground or something else. Sprite 2D will be also icon, normal icon. Collision shape will be also rectangular shape. And all of this we will set somewhere. So go to move mode double way, and we will set it somewhere here. So this will be somewhere here. First collision shape, we need to make it to look something like ground, some kind of ground like this. And also we need to work on this sprite. Just change the shape of a sprite. So this will be change of a scale for the game object. We can also change something about color here, because this go to visibility modulate, and we can change like this. So this is okay. So ground, move mode, put it somewhere here. Now we have our object. Object can be put somewhere here. And let's go to code. We have speed for game object and velocity for jumping. So you will have movement to the left and the right. Also, you will have one input for jumping only if this object is on the floor with the space bar, and movement with the left and right arrow. So for this code to move and slide is used. So move and slide method for the character body. If you like, you can read about this in description for the character body. And now we need to test this. So go and start your platformer. First thing, we have good checking of a ground. So this our game object is fine ground. So is on the floor is working. Is on the floor say if not is on the floor, velocity will be included with gravity. And why is that? Because our character body have direction in epsilon minus 1, means falling, but sliding on ceiling is on. Motion mode is grounded. You can, as I say before, learn more about this in a help section. So this is working. Let's see arrows. Right, left movement is okay. We can adjust a few things about collision shape. This will be very easy. So you can adjust collision shapes, and also here to see if you want to be much more like this. So movement is working, left, right. Now you only have jumping to set. So jumping is working, and we have one good and simple platformer. Of course, as a perfectionist, I will change a few things. Oh, very nice. So you have simplest platformer. You can work on this. You can change textures, and you can even add some more objects. Or I can make a video for you what you need more to improve your coding in GDScript. So please write your question in a comment. It is a great possibility that I will make videos on it. Also, in a description, you will find some recommended book to read, and you will find some recommended competition where you can find and play newly created games. You can even subscribe to this competition, but you need to make some game for it. So I suggest playing. This will be all for this video. Thank you and goodbye.